So fam, let's sew this trending children dress together. See how lovely this dress is with this cute bow tie. So the fabric I'm using is this scuba. I'm using the orange and the peach scuba, and this zip and the peach color thread. So now let's get into drafting. So I'll fold my scuba fabric into two, so and I'll fold into another two, that's signifying the front and back. So the children neckline I'm marking is 9 inches. So 9 inches divided by 2 is 4.5 inches. This is the standard measurement for children under 1 year old. So the chest line is 6 inches. So I'll be marking it like so. So then I'll mark the full length of my dress. So the full length of my dress is 20 inches. So I'm going to be adding 2 more inches, making it 22 inches for the full length of the dress. Okay, so I'll be marking it like so. So I'll bring down the shoulder line like so, then I'll mark it straight. The waist length is 7 inches. I'll mark it. So I'll divide the chest line by 4. That's 24 divided by 4 is 6 inches. I'll mark it. I'll also mark it to the waist and connect it like so. Then from the waist I'll connect in an A-shaped line to the M like so. For the neckline I'll go in with a value of 2 by 2 inches like so. Then I'll use my French cuff to connect it like so. Then at the back pattern I'm going to go in by 1 inches for my zipper allowance at the back pattern. For the back neckline I'm going to go down by 1 inch and connect it to my neckline. At the armhole line I'll go down by ½ inch, then I'll connect the armhole line like so. So after connecting, then I'll cut out my baby dress like so. It's super easy. So comment with the love emoji if you like this sewing tutorial. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification to get you notified when we are posting new tutorials. So I am Delicious Favor, your online sewing tutor. I am cutting out the neckline, the back neckline, then I'll trim out any excesses there like so. So I'll open it up and I'll remove it like so. Then I'll cut the front neckline. You know, the neckline are different, so this is me cutting it out. So this is my A-line baby dress, and this is the back like so. So I'll face it back like so. So this is the back. So I'll go up at the front by 1 inch to have this slant line at the hem of the dress like so. I'll connect it and cut it out like so, and I will do the same to the back of my dress. So I've already done this down. For this is my circle and I'll be placing at the hem of my dress. So I'll just fold it like so. This is how it should be. Then I'll place it at the hem of my front dress like so. You can face this front and you can also face it back, depending on your preference. And you can also turn it like this. So do whatever you like with this design. So you fold your fabric into two, then you fold it into another two like so. So I'm going to be marking 3 inches or 2.5 inches, depending on how wide you want your circle to be. So I'll just cut. I cut this 2.5 inches. I cut it like so. So then you just fold it, and this is how it should be. So I'll use my pin to hold it down, so you see the difference. So this is the bigger one. This is 3 inches. This is the 3 inches on, and this is the 2.5 inches. You see how it is. So cut the bow. So what I'll do is I mark the length of 8 inches. So I'm going to be marking 8.5 inches like so, then I'll mark it down. So I'll cut out the bow tie like so. So I decided to make it wider. I decided to make it wider to 10 inches like so. So it will be wide on the shoulder. Okay, so 9 inches I mean. So I'll just cut it out like so. So I'll fold it. This is how my bow tie should look like. For the bow tie that I'll attach to the bow, so I'll fold my fabric into two like so. Then I'll mark the length. So the length I'm using is 16 inches. So I'll mark it out like so. So the wideness of the bow tie should be 4 inches. Okay, so I increase the wideness. So I'll mark it like so. So I'm going to measure the midpoint. Then I'm going to be marking 2.5 inches at the midpoint. Should have this shape. I like this shape, so you can make yours straight, oh, okay, but I like this shape, so I'll cut it out like so. So this is my bow tie. So I've already cut out the facing for the dress, so I'm going to be marking half inches because I'm going to be joining the neckline by half inches. So this is the front dress, so I'll do the same to the back dress. Okay, I'll be marking half inches because I'm going to be joining the neckline by half inches. Then I'll also sew the armhole line, okay, because this is a sleeveless dress, so we need to sew the armhole line together. So then I'll fold it and sew my bow. I'll sew my bow like so. Then I'll sew the bow tie by half inch like so, and sew the end. Okay, I've already sewn the neckline and I've sewn the armhole line. I've sewn the zipper place. I'm placing my dress. I'll start measuring it. Okay, so I'm measuring it. So I'll mark half inch at the chest line, and at the waist half inch all the way down, because I don't want it to be tight. I want it to be, to be free on the body of my baby. So I'm going to be connected all the way to the hem like so. So I'll be joining it by half inch on both sides of my side seam. See my zip, I'm going to be sewing the zip. I'm marking 1 inch at the zipper allowance, so I'll be sewing my zip there like so. So I'll go sew the zip and join it by the side seam, and I'll show you how it looks like. So I have sewn the bow tie and the bow. So I'll bring a smaller piece like so, and I'll fold my bow tie. I'll just to create this bow effect. So I'll place this on it, and I'll go and sew it, okay, to secure my bow tie. So this is how it should be. I'll unsew the bow tie. I'll unsew the bow to the bow tie like so before placing on the dress. Okay, so this is my dress. I've already sewn it. So I sew a French seam to hide rough edges. Okay, so I've already sewn my dress. So here is the zip. I've sewn the zip also. So I'll open it up so to show you how the dress is. So I've already done that, okay, and I've also sew it at the end. All right, so here is my bow tie, and this is how it should be on the shoulder. I'll just and sew it with my needle and thread on the shoulder. It's super easy, you can do it. Okay, so this is how it should be on the shoulder line. Then use your hand needle to secure the bow and the bow tie on the dress. So here is my cone shape. I'll start placing it at the hem of the dress like so. I'll place it all around the dress. Okay, so this is my circle pattern. So I'll fold it into two, fold it in a cone shape like. Then I'll pin it with my office pin. I'll do the same. So I'll do the same all around the dress hem. I'll pin it down. So after pinning everything down, I'm going to unsew it. Okay, I'll unsew all of them to the end. So I'll place the upper one at the dress and unsew it. It's super easy. Okay, you can also face this cone shape front. Okay, you can face it front depending on the design you want. So just be creative with your own cone like shape. So this is another way to sew your circle shape. So you fold it into half, place it on the hem of your dress, then you sew the middle like so. Okay, you sew the middle like so. So that's how you sew it all around. So this is the second one. So I'm just showing you how to do yours. Okay, this is another way to to be creative with your circle shape. I hope this tutorial was helpful. So subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So I've already done that and I've already secured the stitches. So this is now, see how beautiful the dress and the hem is. It's so beautiful. Look at the bow tie. it's beautiful. So let me know if you try out this children dress. You can make it for your child on December or Christmas day. If you can rock this dress, it's super easy. So please give this video a big thumbs up, and also share this video so that others can see and learn. So see how fluffy the hem is. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and so thanks for watching.